From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the Aussie dollar. You can see that we have seen a lot of really noisy behavior during the day. We initially tried to rally, but this area here right around, what is that, 68.5 or so, continues to really just kind of push the market around. So with that being the case, I think we probably get a little bit of a rally and then a short selling opportunity again. Wouldn't be surprised at all to see this kind of drift a little higher on Thursday, just because people won't want to be exposed to much, really, heading into the jobs number. I suppose you could start to make an argument for an inverted, or for a head and shoulders on a breakdown. What does that measure to? You'd be looking at a move down to about 66. Honestly, if we break this little area here, the 67 level, 66 is probably a given. I think we go much lower than that. Rallies at this point, I continue to fade. I think the 50-day EMA and then quite possibly the 70 level offers a bit of resistance as well. So I don't know. I think by the time we go into the weekend, people will probably start shorting again. I'd be really surprised if we could break above 70 really anytime soon.